Hello children, welcome to my channel Geet Ma'am Online Preschool. Today we will study about the prepositions of time at, on and in. The prepositions of time at, on, in describe when something happens, happened or will happen. I will just write down the notes here so that you can also copy. So, prepositions of time at, on, in describe when something happens, happened or will happen. Now, what is the difference between at, on and in? I will explain you with examples. So let's have a look. So now we will discuss about the difference between at, on and in with examples. At is used for specific time or hour of the day. We can say at 7 a.m., at 6 o'clock or at midnight. Now we are talking about at. So it is used for specific time or hour of the day. So we can say at 7 a.m. we say like this, at 6 o'clock, and we also say at midnight. So I will now tell you the example sentences using at. I get up at 7 a.m. The movie starts at 6 o'clock. We arrived home at midnight. I'll just write it down for you. Some examples for at. Examples using at. So here we are talking about a specific time or hour of the day. Like as I've told you, I get up at 7 a.m. The movie starts at 6 o'clock. We arrived home at midnight. So it denotes a specific time of the day. Now, at is also used for holiday period or festivals. So if I'll give you an example using a festival time, we can say they sing carols at Christmas. So here we are talking about the time period of festival, not a specific hour where we are talking here. Here we are talking about that period of the year. I'll just write down the example for you. They sing carols at Christmas. So here we are talking about that period of the year. So now we'll move on to next preposition using on. On. We use on for specific days. For example, on Sunday, on Monday, on Friday. I'll just write down it for you so that you can also make notes if you want to. We can use on for specific days. We say on Sunday, on Monday, on Friday. And some example sentences using on. I will visit you on Sunday. Where were you on Wednesday? He doesn't work on Sundays. I'll write example sentences for you. Example sentences using on. So these are the examples for on using specific days. I will visit you on Sunday. Where were you on Wednesday? He doesn't work on Sundays. So here we are talking about a specific day. Now we also use on for dates. Example, on 18th, on New Year's Day. So let's look at some examples using dates. On for dates. Example, on 18th, or we can say on New Year's Day. Some example sentences for this I will write down. His birthday is on 8th May. The exam is on 16th March. Now we will talk about in. Now the time preposition in is used with months. It is used with months. We can say in February, in July. So we say, example, in February, in July. I'll give you example sentences for this. Children, it is a very simple and interesting topic if you will listen it carefully. If you will not understand at one time, you can just go through the video again. In 2-3 times, you will understand the full topic very easily. So here I am giving you examples for in. We can say my birthday is in December. I am going on vacation in August. So the difference is here we don't mention a specific day, just the month. So we use the preposition in before the month. So in is also used with seasons, and it is also used with decades and century. So I'll give you example for that also. In is also used with season. Example, we can say we go to the beach in summer. So here we are talking about the season summer. Example sentence. We go to the beach in summer. It is also used with decades and century. So, for example, we can say the Titanic sank in 1912. The Shakespeare was born in 1564. Example sentences I'll write down with decades and century. So I've explained you the difference between at, on, in, how to use it, where to use it. I will share you some worksheets also related to this. Right now, after completing this, it is almost complete. I'll just share a few sentences with you so that it will be more clear. Worksheet I have designed for small kids also. These sentences are for little bigger babies. The worksheet which I'll share are for smaller kids. The simple sentences. I'll just give you examples, a few examples using at, on and in. Then we will wind up the topic for today. At. You can say, you can see the stars at night. The movie starts at 8 p.m. I'll write down the examples for as a recapitulation of at, on and in. Now, example using on. He doesn't work on Sunday. We will have a party on Monday. I'll write down for you. I'm writing these sentences for your better understanding, though I have tried to explain it in a very simple way. Now, example using in. We can say they watch movie in the evening. I drink coffee in the morning. So our topic is completed. I will just share you some simple worksheets for smaller kids also. So children, now I have already explained you the topic, the prepositions of time, at, on and in. Now for better understanding, we will do worksheets. These worksheets, parents, you can download from the link which is given in the description box. So let's start and do these worksheets. I made cake. We have three options. In all the columns, we have to choose the correct option. I made cake on Sunday. My basketball practice starts at 4 p.m. I am putting a tick mark on the correct answer. You can also ask your child to write here on the blank space. I did shopping on Sunday. I do breakfast in the morning. Next is I go for running dash the morning. I go for running in the morning. I play with my friend in the evening. Cafe closes at 10 p.m. Bus leaves at 1 p.m. from school. These are very beautiful and colorful sheets which children will enjoy doing, and the concepts will also clear. So the next is, it is nice to go for camping in summers. My music class starts at 5 p.m. Advait brushes teeth at night. I take bath before bed at night. Now the last worksheet. I visited the doctor. I visited the doctor on Sunday. We read our favorite books at night. I love to swim in the pool. We should go to school on time. So kids, if you like studying with me, parents, if you like my topic, my teaching method, you can subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you. See you again.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon.